Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you're on Win 10 Rs5 1809 and noting key apps and drivers. This avoids surprises. Next, make a quick backup or system image. Do that now so you can roll back if needed. Once done, clear at least 20 GB and disable third-party antivirus to prevent interference, then plug the device into power and a stable Ethernet connection. Finally, open the Windows 10 Update Assistant or Media Creation tool to start the upgrade process. You'll run the Update Assistant or Media Creation tool and let it download the full upgrade package. This can take 20–90 minutes depending on your connection. During installation, choose whether to keep personal files and apps or opt for a clean install. Pick based on corruption or customization needs. Make sure to watch the compatibility checks. If a driver or app is flagged, jot it down. If the tool pauses, don't interrupt. Let background services finish and resume once ready. Then proceed with the on-screen prompts. After setup completes, your PC will restart several times. Let it finish and then run Windows Update immediately to fetch cumulative patches and drivers. You should open Device Manager and look for any yellow warning devices, then install vendor drivers as needed. Once your system is stable, confirm activation and run a quick file check. If the upgrade fails or you hit boot problems, boot to safe mode or use your recovery image to roll back. A single key troubleshooting tip: use the created system image to restore quickly if the upgrade breaks boot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.